Hello, I am going to present my travel itinerary to place spread by San Andres. Introduction of the place. Spread by beach or Sardina Bay is the main beach of San Andres, located on the northeast coast and 15 kilometers long. Duration of the trip. The trip will last 4 days, 3 nights. Means of transportation. To head to the beach, you arrive by or by plane, and you can travel around the beach and the sea in boats or boats. Activities to do. You can enjoy the habitat, the sea, and the four tours that are the visit to the Blue Hole, Morgan Cave, and St. Louis Beach, Johnny Cave, and the aquarium. Place to stay. For lodging on the beach, we have two hotels available, so you can choose the one that best suits you. Hotel Blue Town on vacation. 0.1 max from Sprague Bike Beach. Portobello Boulevard, 0.4 kilometers from Sprague Bike Beach. Typical foods. The boys as to most typical foods. The most outstanding are the snails, the trout, the octopus with coconut rice, and the bed fruits. Costs. The travel package to play Sprague Bike San Andres at a cost of $1,100,000 per person. Thank you.